Most traders think success comes from chasing every market move, but in reality, consistent trading is about discipline, focus, and patience. Hi, I'm Alexander, a professional trader with more than 6 years of experience. And today, I want to show you how I trade with a sniper's mindset, waiting for the right setup, trusting the process, and stepping in only when everything aligns. No guessing, no chasing. We will use simple tools, clean price action, key support and resistance levels, and a single move average for trend confirmation. Because trading isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. And if you want to learn this approach with me every day, join my Telegram community. It's where I share my daily trades, live setups, market insights, and step-by-step breakdowns. Over 70,000 traders are already inside, earning, growing, and staying consistent together. The link is in the pinned comment and in the description below. Let's sharpen your trading mindset and get started. All set up, charts are clean, indicators are loaded. I'm using a single moving average for trend confirmation and focusing on price action. The key pairs for today: Australian dollar, United States dollar, Australian dollar, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I'll be watching how price reacts around key support and resistance levels, and I won't make a single move until I see a setup that matches my plan. So let's start with Australian and United States dollars. Starting with a clean chart, Australian dollar, United States dollar is in focus. Price is approaching a clear resistance zone we've marked before. I said the price pushing higher, but momentum isn't convincing yet. I'm watching closely. Patience now, no need to force it. There it is, a bearish rejection candle right at its resistance. Moving average holds above the price, confirming the trend, and I'm taking a down trade here. Why this setup? Key level confirmed by price action, bearish reaction right of resistance, EMA confirming pressure from sellers. We're in, letting the trade play out without interference. The trade closes in profit. That's a textbook start, right setup, clean execution. Switching to Australian dollar and Swiss franc. This pair has been consolidating in a tight range, but I see lower highs forming. That's a sign of seller pressure building. I will give it a moment. Here comes a strong bearish engulfing candle breaking out of the range. EMA slightly bending down. That's our confirmation. And I'm entering a down trade. Why now? Breakout from consolidation, clear bearish candle with strong body, EMA shifting with a move. Staying calm, the setup fits the plan. The trade closes in profit. 2 precise entries, let's keep this focus. So now switching to Australian and New Zealand dollar, the price is moving toward the support zone that it already had twice today. RSI is neutral and EMA sits just below the price, potential bounce area. I will wait and see if buyers react. There we go, bullish engulfing candle forms to right-hand support. EMA supports the move, price confirms it with strong momentum. I'm entering an up trade. Why this trade? Double tested support holding, strong bullish candle reaction, EMA acting as dynamic support. I stayed out of the way, letting the trade work itself out. The trade closes in profit. That's why I trust the setup, not the market noise. Switching to Australian dollar, Canadian dollar now. The pair seems to be breaking out of resistance after a bullish move. I'm watching for confirmation before taking action. A bullish candle closes above resistance, looks like a breakout, and I'm entering an up trade. So, you know what? But right after, price snaps back with a strong bearish candle. The EMA didn't catch up, a mistake on my part. Trade closes in loss, unfortunately it happens. Not every trade plays out, and that's okay. But let's break it down. I acted too soon on the breakout without enough confirmation. The EMA was still flat, no dynamic support yet, and I ignored the risk of a false breakout after a strong move. The lesson? Even if the setup looks tempting, waiting for full confirmation always beats rushing in. Looking back at Australian dollar, United States dollar, the price is pulling back toward the previously tested support zone. I'm watching how the price reacts here. No quick decisions. EMA is holding beneath the price, creating a nice support base. Here comes a bullish reaction candle right at support. I'm entering an up trade. Why now? The level has been respected multiple times. Strong bullish rejection confirms buyers are still active. EMA is perfectly aligned below the price. And the trade closes in profit. Patience always pays when you wait for the market to give you the green light. So 6th trade, switching to Australian dollar and franc. The price is gradually approaching resistance, but the movement is slowing. I don't want to guess, I'm observing for clear rejection. EMA sits right on top of the price, holding strong. And there it is, bearish engulfing candle right below resistance. I'm entering a downtrend. Why this entry? Resistance confirmed again, bearish candle with strong volume, EMA confirming downward pressure. Trade closes in profit. It's not about catching every move, it's about catching the right ones. That wraps up today's session. We worked through multiple setups, stayed patient, and followed the system with discipline. Out of all trades, one didn't go our way, and that's a perfect reminder. No strategy guarantees a 100% win rate. But what really matters is sticking to your rules, learning from each outcome, and trusting the process over time. Trading isn't about chasing profits, it's about building habits that lead to consistency. And today proved that again. Focus, patience, and a clear system deliver results. If you found value in this approach, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Over 70,000 traders are already there, getting daily signals, live breakdowns, and practical trading insights. The link is waiting for you in the pinned comment and description. Thanks for being part of this session. I will see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay focused, and trade with confidence.